Hey there, tech explorers! We're diving deep into the world of SIM cards. You know those little guys we slip into our phones? They're easy to overlook, but they're crucial. Even in our high-tech world, SIM cards are essential. They're our passport to the mobile world. Without them, our phones wouldn't know who we are or how to connect us. It's like trying to get into a concert without a ticket. No way in. These tiny chips hold the key to our connections. They allow us to call, text, and surf the web. But have you ever stopped to think about how they're made? Get ready, because we're about to go behind the scenes at a real SIM card factory. Now, what exactly a SIM card? SIM stands for Subscriber Identity Module. Think of it as your phone's tiny brain. It's a little computer chip that stores your unique information. This includes your phone number, network identification, and even your contacts. Without it, your phone is just a fancy paperweight. The SIM card tells the network who you are and allows you to access its services. It's amazing how much information is packed onto that tiny chip, and it's all thanks to the magic of microelectronics. But before we get to that, let's start at the beginning of the SIM card's journey. Just like any complex gadget, SIM cards start with a blueprint. Engineers carefully design the layout of the chip. This design determines what information the SIM card can store and how it interacts with your phone. It's a meticulous process, like designing a super intricate microchip city. Once the design is complete, it's time to start manufacturing. This is where things get really interesting. We're talking about factories with incredible precision and robots working at lightning speeds. Get ready to have your mind blown as we go step by step through the SIM card manufacturing process. Section 4. Silicon Heart, creating the SIM's brain. The journey begins with silicon, the base material for most computer chips. Large, pure silicon crystals are grown in a lab, then sliced into thin wafers. These wafers are like the blank canvases for our SIM cards. Next, intricate circuits are etched onto the wafers using a process called photolithography. It's like using a tiny high-tech stamp to create the SIM card's brain. This step is crucial, as any tiny error can render the entire wafer useless. Section 5. Dressing the chip. Encasing the brain in plastic. Now that we have our silicon wafers with their intricate circuits, it's time to protect them. Each chip is carefully cut from the wafer and embedded into a sturdy plastic body. This plastic body is what we recognize as the SIM card. It protects the delicate chip inside from damage. Plus, it provides the necessary shape and size for insertion into our phones. But our SIM cards aren't ready just yet. They need to go through rigorous testing to ensure they're up to the task of connecting us to the world. Section 6. Testing, making sure your SIM is a Smartie. Quality control is paramount in SIM card manufacturing. Each card undergoes a battery of tests to ensure it meets the highest standards. These tests check everything from data storage and retrieval to network connectivity. Imagine a room full of machines, each poking and prodding the SIM cards, making sure they're up to snuff. Only the SIM cards that pass all the tests with flying colors make it to the final stage. Section 7. All boxed up and ready to go. Packaging and shipment. The final stage of the SIM card manufacturing process involves packaging and shipment. The finished SIM cards are inserted into those little plastic carriers we're all familiar with. They're then labeled with their unique identification numbers and packaged for distribution. From there, they're shipped all over the world to mobile network operators, ready to be activated and connect us to the digital world.